Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we activate Windows and Microsoft Office using Kms Activator. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how we activate Windows and Microsoft Office using Kms Activator. So as you see down there, my PC is showing activate Windows. So that's a message which confirms you that my Windows is not activated right now, and it is showing that message. If you have that message on your computer or on your machine, just know anytime your Windows might crash. Okay, so you need to activate it. You need to activate Windows. So today we are going to activate using Kms Activator. There are very many other ways which you can use to activate, but for us this is the option we are taking today. So before going any further, before running this process, you always have to deactivate your antivirus. Before running this activator, you always have to make sure that your antivirus software is deactivated. Your malware, generally Windows Defender in Windows, you have to disable it. You go to Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, you disable Tamper Protection, and you also disable some antivirus protection there which protects your computer, because once you run this activator, when your Defender is also active, it will just chop the files, so it won't be able to run. So this is the process you go through. Now let us activate. You tap on activate Office. We are going to first activate Office, then from there we shall activate Windows as well. Kms Activator is running. It is activating. Then within a few minutes, our Microsoft Office will be activated, and we are also going to activate Windows, so that this error message down there which shows activate Windows is removed automatically. So let us now activate the Windows. Activate Windows. We click activate Windows. We are now activating our Windows. Once this process completes, you are going to see that error message won't appear there again. We are activating. It is under activation. The process it is activating. Yeah, if you are watching this from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are on TikTok, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, John's Empire. So it is now activated. Our Windows is activated, and it is no longer showing that message. It is no longer showing that message of activate Windows. So this is the process which we go through when activating our Windows, either Windows or Microsoft Office, using Kms Activator. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like it now, and if you are on our YouTube channel, John's Empire, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our future videos. We are going to be dropping more and more videos related to IT and technology. So subscribe now, and become part of our community.